Hey guys, can you solve 15 plus 5 squared divided by 5? 15 plus 5 equals 20 squared, right? Divided by 5. Now 20 squared means 20 times 20 equals 400, right? 400 divided by 5. Now 400 divided by 5 equals 80, right? But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because exponent come before addition, right? Exponent come before addition. Also exponent applies only to 5, not 15 plus 5, right? Not 20 squared. Exponent applies only to 5. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule, right? So now let's solve this correctly. 15 plus 5 squared means 5 times 5 equals 25 divided by 5. Now divide first. 15 plus 25 divided by 5 equals 5, right? Now 15 plus 5 equals 20.